Welcome to our GT classes. Okay. Previously I have given the video related to the nothing can stop them. That is the topic of that chapter. Now we are going to get to know about the new topic, that is movie magic and world's impressive stadiums. These are the two topics we are going to read about them. So what is into the movie magic? Movie magic, we are going to know about it. A large number of movies are released in India every year. We know this very well, that a large number of movies are being released in India every year. They are getting more and more appreciation in terms of their presentation. Movies, obviously, when into the movies there is no any good type of presentation, the movie gets not so much liked by the people. So there should be a presentation, good presentation into that. They had to go through a series of changes before assuming the present status. Firstly, now we are going to get to know about it. What do you know about the Indian cinemas? We are going to write the answers related to that. First question is, it was the first cinema hall in India built in Kolkata in 1907. Into the 1907, it was the first cinema hall in India built in Kolkata. So the name of this was Elphinstone Picture Palace. Elphinstone Picture Palace was the first cinema theatre which was built in 1907 in Kolkata. Second, it was the first silent feature film made in India in 1930 by Dhrutiaraj Govind Phalke, that is Raja Harishchandra, without any voice. Without any voice, just like you have seen the movies of Charlie Chaplin, there is no any voice. They don't used to talk to each other. By doing the action, they used to tell that what they want to say. In the same way, Raja Harishchandra was the movie without any sound. Next, it was the first full-length talkie film made by A.M. Irani, which was released in Mumbai on 14 March 1931. That is the movie Alag Alag. It was the full-length talkie film. First time the characters into the movie are talking to each other. That the voice has been recorded into that. That was the first movie into the India known as Alag Alag. Next, it was the first multicolor animated film in India made in 1935. It was processed in Germany. That is Lafanga Langur. Lafanga Langur is an animated multicolor film that is made in India in 1935 and was processed in Germany, named as Lafanga Langur. Next, it was the first film with playback song made in 1935 by New Theatre. It was the first film which had the playback song into it, made in 1935, that is Bhagya Chakra. Bhagya Chakra was the movie in which the playback songs are over there. Next, it was the first CinemaScope black and white film made by Guru Dutt in 1959. That is Kagaz Ki Phool. Kagaz Ki Phool was the first CinemaScope black and white film made by Guru Dutt in 1959. It was the first 3D film made in Malayalam in 1984. That is My Dear Kutti Chathal. My Dear Kutti Chathal was the first Malayalam movie made in 3D in 1984. The last one, it was the first talkie film made in English by Himanshu Rai in 1933. It was shot in England. That is Karma. Karma was the movie that has been taken shot into the England and was made by Himanshu Rai in 1933. 1933. It is made in English. Means people used to talk into this movie in English language. Next, we are going to get to know about the world's impressive stadium. First one, it is a football stadium situated in London. It includes 134-meter high arc. That is Wembley. Wembley Stadium. It is a football stadium situated in London. Second, it is the biggest football stadium in Europe and is situated in Barcelona. That is Camp Nou. Camp Nou is the biggest football stadium in Europe situated in Barcelona. It is situated in Arlington, Texas, USA and is home in NFL. That is AT&T. So this is the stadium of Arlington, Texas, USA. It is one of the best cricket ground in Australia. Its total capacity is over 95,000 people can sit into this cricket ground. That is MCG cricket ground. It is situated in Munich, Germany and is a football stadium. It was opened in 2005 with a full color changing exterior. That is Allianz Arena. Allianz Arena is a football stadium situated in Munich, Germany. Next, it is a cricket stadium in Kolkata and its total capacity of more than 90,000 people can sit into it. That is Eden Garden. This is the stadium into the Kolkata in which 90,000 people can sit into it. So this was the two chapters, chapter number 33, chapter number 34, movie magic and world's impressive stadium. Write it into your copy, complete it and submit your PDF to me by tomorrow. Thank you.